Hi everybody, this is me, with a new redstone, tutorial. I'm going to be teaching you how to make an automatic furnace, like a machine that cooks your furnace. So like, it's a machine that cooks your, food more, pleasant. So like, I got 8 here, so 4, alright, so if I get charcoal, so let's say if I get 10 pieces of charcoal. Now as you can see, every single one is empty. Alright guys, let me be back. Can you play Caleb for a second just to keep him?
No.
Just play.
I don't. Just walk around, whatever. Okay. Oh wait, I'm gonna skip this side. Why? Tyler, you need to hurry up.
Alright guys, I'm sorry, I'm back. Alright, so, yeah, like I was saying, this will cook your food. So if I get 10 pieces of coal or charcoal, whatever, put it in this, chest. Sorry guys, hold on. Alright, so if I put 9 pieces of coal in there, it'll be going in this furnace. Kayla, be quiet. Get out. Alright, if I put 6 raw rabbit in this chest, it's going to be going. So this is my automatic cooker. So I will be telling you how to make this. So what you're going to need is, this has no redstone evolved. What you're going to need is, and then at the end of the video I'll be telling you how much you would need to make this. So you're going to need hoppers, chest, and then you're going to need 8 furnaces. Alright, so what you want to do is, first you want to start up in 64 blocks of your choice. So first you want to start off with 8 furnaces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you want to get your hoppers out. You want to crouch, or you open up the GUI. Crouch, 1. And then you want to bring the hoppers all the way down. Make sure that they're pointing downwards. Bring this up 1 more. Hold on guys, break that one. And then you want to place chest. Make sure you crouch. And you're going to need some trap chests too, so I would keep on alternating so they don't connect. If you have these connect, then the whole entire thing will be ruined and you would need to restart over. So, if you do that, now what you want to do is you want to get your hoppers back again, and then put them in you want to put the funnel into the furnace. So you should see the funnels going into the furnace. You want to bring these up. You want to bring it up to just like this. You want to get your trap chest and alternate it again. Oopsie. And then do that. So we are actually completely done. So, first thing I want to show you is that it does work. So if I get a piece of coal, guys, then again, also it does work with ore too. So if I get a pork chop, put it in there. Hold on, guys. For some reason, why isn't this? Nothing. No. Oh, alright. Alright. Never mind, it worked, guys. Then you want to place your pork chop in here. It will take a second for it to run through the progress. And then, yeah, so you got your working automatic furnace. If you want to, guys, stay for the episode, you can stay and watch me decorate this. So, you want to go up 2, place a block, and then do that. Alright? And then you want to, if you see at this one, I go out and other one, so like this. And guys, then I made this from scratch, vanilla Minecraft, no mods or nothing. So you want to do this, up, down steps. To me they look better, just for purposes. And then you want to place steps, like that, like that. Then you want to go up until you reach to that. And then you want to just make this up. Just like this. And then like this. Just like that. Now you can go up these on the corners, or you can just leave them, it's up to you. Now you want to get any type of carpet. I'll be using red, white for this one. So then you just want to keep on placing red and white. Or you could just do red on the top and white on the bottom. I just like this pattern. So, white, red, white, red, white, red, white, red. So yeah, this is my first redstone creation that is actually in handy. I try to stick with most survival friendly things I could, but that was kind of hard just because hoppers take 5 iron ingots and a chest. So yeah, well, yeah, yeah, this is my redstone creation. I will be posting more down in the more YouTube. Down in the comments below, tell me what else I should do. All right. So yeah, this is what I also like to do real quick. I like doing the redstone lamps or torches or a lever, and I just like doing this just whenever it's night. You might encounter some things. So yeah, that's what I like, and also it gives you a good a source. So I will be back with some more redstone things. So yeah, so this is my redstone thing. Now guys, you can make the things in the back more pretty. Like I'm just thinking of so yeah, that's mine. So back, like I said, put it in the description and make sure you hit the thumbs up. That will really leave a lot of support to my channel, and yeah, bye.